Hello YouTubers and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the basic steps to create a donut board. These have become very popular items at weddings, showers, and parties. First, figure out spacing, leaving gaps where any lettering might go. This will vary per project. Donuts are about 4 to 6 inches on average. I didn't have any actual donuts on hand and used this DeWalt grinding wheel as a reference, but I would suggest actually picking up real donuts, plus you can eat them after you're finished with the project. Next, make a jig. Use painter's tape to mark the depth of the holes on your drill bit. I didn't drill completely through the board, but that's totally up to you. Use a drill bit slightly smaller than the size of the dowel rod. Secure it in place with clamps. Stain or leave your board as is. Attach supports with glue and screws. I trimmed a little material off of each shelf support so my board would lean back. Cut dowel rods to the desired length, sand, and tap into place. You also have the option of gluing them into place. However, I made mine removable. That way the bride could store the board flat. Add lettering if you'd like. Mine says Holy Matrimony. Hope this video gives you confidence and inspires you to build your own donut board. Don't forget to leave feedback in the comments. As always, thanks for watching.